Yes, what is the algorithm? The first question is how many bits per seconds are required to represent 64 colors? And then the answer is 6. How to get that? Yeah, power of 2. Yes, power of 2. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙහෙමයි. So if you have like let's say if you have 2 bits, so then 2 to the power 2 combinations, 2 bits, 2 to the power 2 combinations. We know this because we learned the same thing in logic gates and number systems combination. So that means, so those combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Those are the 4 combinations. If there are 3 bits, so if there are 3 bits, 2 to the power 3 combinations, which means 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. These are the 8 combinations. So these are the 8 combinations. Similar to that, so if you need 64 colors, right? If you need 64 colors, you need 2 to the power 6. So that is equal to 64. 64 combinations. And that's how you take the answer. Okay, so I'll ask another sub question. Then make a sub question එකක් අහන්න. මේ වගේ හිතන්න. Assume that you want to represent, you want to give IPs. You need to assign unique IPs to 30 computers. How many bits you need to name or number those 30 machines? So what is the answer? Those 30 machines. So you want to assign IP addresses. So IPs or IP addresses. IPs or IP addresses to 30 computers. So it's asking how many bits you need to number those 30 machines. Yes? What is the answer? You need to assign IP addresses to 30 computers. And how many bits you need to number those 30 machines? Now what is the answer? So can you send it in chat? Chat එකේ වන්න බලන්න කවුද බලමු අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලාම දෙන්නේ answer. How many bits you need to number these machines? මේ machines ටික number කරන්න. Okay. So you have 30 machines and you need to number this machine. One gave the answer, others. Tarani, can you hear me? Akash? Yes. Tarani or Akash? පුතේ ඔයගලන්ට තේරෙන්නේ නැද්ද මේක මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ තේරෙන්නේ නැද්ද මම එහෙමනම් ආයි කියලා දෙන්නම් මේකයි මම අහන්නේ. So if you cannot understand, please tell me. What තේරුම් ගන්න අමාරුයි නම් මට පොඩ්ඩක් කියන්න. හරි. මේ තියරි එකමයි පාවිච්චි කරන්න ඕන. බිට් දෙකක් තිබ්බොත් දෙකේ දෙවෙනි බලයක් කම්බිනේෂන්ස් තියෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ හතරක්. බිට් තුනක් තිබ්බොත් දෙකේ තුන්වෙනි බලයක් කම්බිනේෂන්ස් තියෙනවා. බිට් හයක් තිබ්බොත් දෙකේ හයවෙනි බලයක්. ඒ කියන්නේ 64ක් කම්බිනේෂන්ස් තියෙනවා. එතකොට කලර්ස් 64ක් රිප්‍රසන්ට් කරන්න නම් අඩු ගානේ බිට් 6ක් ඕන. බිට් 6ක් තිබ්බම අපිට පුළුවන් එක කලර් එකක් මෙහෙම පෙන්වන්න. ඊළඟ කලර් එක මෙහෙම පෙන්වන්න. ඊළඟ කලර් එක මේ විදිහට පෙන්වන්න. ඊළඟ කලර් එක මේ විදිහට. ඔය විදිහට කලර්ස් 66 64ක් පෙන්වන්න පුළුවන් අපිට. You can show 64 colors. Okay, similar to that, if you need to address 30 machines, 30 computers, how many bits you need? IP addresses ගෙන් දෙන්න ඕන computers 30කට. bit කීයක් වාට ඕනද? Dinoli? Yes? Okay, what is IP address? IP address is a 32-bit 4-portion dot binary number. 32-bit bit 32ක් තියෙන portion 4ක් තියෙන 8 බැගින් වෙන්නෙච්ච binary number represented in decimal වලින් පෙන්නන number එකක්. උදාහරණයක් විදිහට මේ තමයි අවම. This is the minimum. In decimal it is 0.0.0.0. Maximum is this. So I think I missed one. So here 4 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 8. 8 here and 8 here. So the maximum IP address is 255.255.255.255. That is the maximum. Minimum මේක තමයි බිංදු 8 උපරිම එකේව 8 8 ගානනේ ස්ථාන හතරක් තියෙන්නේ. So you can see the minimum and the maximum. Okay, so but the question is asking something different. So if you have 30 computers, how many bits you need to number those 30 machines? So for an example, you can give IP address to 30 computers, right? Just keeping the first portion unique, මුල් ටික unique තියාගෙන ඉතර හිතන්න ඕනෙත් නෑ. අපි හිතමු මුල ටික තියෙන්නේ 192.168.0 කියලා. එතකොට අග බිට් ටික විතරක් වෙනස් කරලා machines වලට IP දෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ computer එකේ IP එක බලන්නේ කොහොමද? How to see IP address of your computer? Yes? Come on guys. තාම නැගිටලා නැද්ද? ඔයාලගේ computer එකේ IP address එක බලන්නේ කොහොමද? ක්‍රම දෙකක් මම කියලා දීලා තියෙනවා. Method number 1. You can go to command prompt and type ipconfig. In Linux it is ifconfig. Windows වල ipconfig command prompt එකට ගිහිල්ලා ipconfig කියලා ගහන්න. එතකොට ඔයාලට IP address එක බලන්න පුළුවන්. Here 192.168.1.2 is my IP. 192.168.1.2. Okay, so those who are joining with computers, can you tell me your IP? How the computers will join the line? Akash වයිනි computer එකකින්ද phone එකකින්ද? දැන් නම් ඔක්කොම phone වලින් හරි බලමු. Akash, yes? You are joining with computer or mobile phone? Come on, you have to answer guys, otherwise it will take your time. ඔගොල්ලන්ගේ වෙලාවම තමයි යන්නේ. ඔගොල්ලෝ උත්තර දෙන්නේ නැතිකොට මම නිකන් අර පොඩි ළමයින්ට වගේ කියන්න මොනා හරි කියන්න. එහෙම කිය ඉන්න වෙනවා මට. අපරාධය ඔයාලගේ වෙලාව. Mobile phone. Dinoli, mobile phone or laptop or computer?
Laptop, sir.
Laptop. So can you check your IP address and tell me? Go to command prompt. Windows එකයි R එකයි press කරන්න. එතකොට ඒ run කියලා dialog box එකක්. Windows R. Windows and R. Others do the same. If you're using a computer, do the same. Computer or laptop, do the same. Press Windows and R key. Windows key and R key. Right? Then type CMD and press enter. Then type CMD and press enter. It will give you command prompt. In command prompt, type ipconfig. In command prompt, type ipconfig without spaces. ipconfig without spaces. So what is your IP, Dinuli? Yes? You can find a number like this. Okay, Nipuni? එයා හොයාගන්නකන් නිපුණි. ඔයා ජොයින් වෙන්නේ මොකකින්ද පුතේ? මොබයිල් ෆෝන් එකකින්ද කම්පියුටර් එකකින්ද? රන්දිල්
Mobile phone.
තරණි
Sir, I'm joining from the laptop.
can you check and let me know? ආ බැලුවද? බැලුවනම් මට පොඩ්ඩක් කියන්න IP එක.
බැලුවා sir 192යි 168යි 137.1 එක.
137 එක. right චානක
The mobile phone.
mobile phone.
Sir,
Mobile phone එකෙත් බලන්න පුළුවන්. දිනෝලි yes.
sir, my one's 172.20,
Hmm.
10.8.
10. Okay, now you can see it's between this 255 and 0. 255 0 අතර මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ අහලා තිබ්බ මේ පේපර් එකේ. 255 0 අතර තමයි valid IP එකක් නා. And so forget about all these stories. Now you have 30 computers. 30 computers means how many bits you need to address those 30 computers. Yes, if you have 2 bits, you can give addresses to 4 computers maximum. Okay, for an example, if you allocate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, last 2 bits, right? If you allocate last 2 bits, then you can give one machine will get 192.168.0.0. That is the first IP. The second machine will got 192.168. Yes, you can say tell 0 dot. What is the IP of second machine? Here this is 0 0. Make a bindu bindu. Ilang එකේදී මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ? bindu 1යි. Yes, what is the IP then? 0 dot. Come on, tell me what will happen if it is 0 1?
1.
1 1. So next one will be 1 0. So then what is the IP? 192.168.0 dot. Yes, 1 0 means binary ka decimal කරන්න ටක් ගාලා 1 0 කියන්නේ කීයද? දිනෝලි
2.
2. Yes. Next one 1 1. So what is that IP? 192.168.0 dot. Yes. 1 1 means. Come on. 1 1. Binary වලින් 1 1 කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Decimal වලින්. දැන් ඒකත් මතක නැද්ද?
2, 1.
3.
3, yes. That's 3. Right. Okay, if you have 2 bits, 4 computers. Now you can see how IP addresses are given. So if you have 4 bits, how many computers? 4 bits means 2 to the power 4 because same thing. එකම දේ මේ 2 bits නම් 2 combination, 4 combination, 3 bits නම් 8 combinations. 4 bits 2 to the power 4. How many combinations then? Chanaka? 8.
16.
Sorry,
16.
16 combination. Right, then you will have 16. 0 to 16, you can give the IP address. Right, then if you have 5 bits, how many?
32.
32. 2 to the power 3. Sorry, 2 to the power 5 is 32. You can give 32 bits. So what is the answer for my question then? What is the answer for my question? You need to assign unique IP for 30 computers. How many bits you need? Yes, how many bits? It's 5 bits. 5 bits, if you have 5 bits, you can give 32 addresses. But you need 30. That doesn't matter. You have made more addresses. It doesn't matter. But the nearest one is 5 bits. Understood or not? The nearest one is 5 bits. Did you understand?
Yes,
Or
sir.
not? Yeah. Right, then why you said 30 bits? Rambil? පැටලුණාද? රන්දිල් පැටලුණාද? 30 bits කියලා ඒවල තියෙන්නේ නේද? මං හිතන්නේ පොඩ්ඩක් අවුල් වෙන්නේ නැති වෙලේ හරි. තේරුණාද දැන් addresses දෙන විදිහ? So this question, so let me tell now, right, the actual picture. This question is A level ICT question. This is not O level ICT question. But so think about the concept. If you know the concept, you can even understand the questions in A level ICT. This is A level ICT networking question. This is not O level ICT question, and this is same question, kind of question you will get in. This is kind of question you will get in CCNA professional examination. Cisco Certified Network Associate, CCNA subnetting, the subnetting part in CCNA examination. Let me show. So you'll get this question, CCNA subnetting. But same concept, right? Subnetting practice, you will get this kind of questions. But in different technical jargons, so forget about that technical things. But anyway, okay. So what is the correct binary representation of 41? Here, CCNA. And then, so here, what is the what would be used in Windows from to display IP address of the command line? It is IP config in Linux IF config. So that is how many bits are for 4 octet in IP address? Yes, you know that. How many bits are in one of the 4 octets? එක octet එකක 8 කෑල්ලක කීයක් තියෙනවද? It's 8. Answer is B. So these are easy questions. And so forget about subnet mask. So asking 22 bits are allocated for 2 bits are allocated for, so the next 4 bits will be allocated for the computer numbering. Bit 28ක් allocate කරලා තියෙනවා network වලට. ඉතුරු bit 4 allocate වෙනවා computer numbering වලට. ඒ කියන්නේ 2 4 වෙනි බලයක්. Just 32 2 4 වෙනි බලයක් අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒතර bit කීයක් තියෙනවද දාන host address in වලට. 32ක් නේ ඔක්කොම bit. 28ක් ඉවර වුණාම 32කින් 28ක් ගියාම the remaining will be 32 minus 28, the remaining will be 4 bits. Answer is B. So see that, that's why I'm telling. In A-level ICT also you have these kind of questions. Right? This is in professional examination subnetting. You have that question. එතකොට ඕගොල්ලෝ පුතේ මේ O level වලට උත්තර ලියන්න, it's okay. So you prepare for the A levels, your O level examination on March, but don't just stop from that level. So understand the theory exactly, then your theory can be applicable in O level ICT, A level ICT, professional examination, everywhere. So this is the basic theory, right? So that's what I want to teach from this question. Okay, then how many bits per pixel required to represent 64 colors? It is 6 because 2 to the power 6 is 64. Right, next question. Decimal value of this one. So that is easy. So we got to know how to find decimal value. I'm not going to explain much on this because it's easy one. නිකම්ම මතක් කරන්න. මම මහාල ගොඩාක් කතා කරන්න යන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද මේවා අපි ගොඩ සැරයක් දැන් කතා කරලා තියෙනවා. හැබැයි ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ඕන නම් මෙහෙම දෙයක් කරන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් මේව මතකම නැත්තම් පරණ ඒවා බලන්න පුළුවන්. මම දැනට මතක් කරලා දෙන්නම්. This is the number. If you have this kind of number, what add කරන්න තියෙන්නේ මේවා දෙකේ බලවලින් අගටම යන්න. ඊට පස්සේ දෙකේ බිඳුවෙනි බලය 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2. ඊට පස්සේ නැහැ. එකේ ගොඩවල් තියෙනවා, දෙකේ ගොඩවල් තියෙනවා. හතරේ ගොඩවල් නැහැ. අටේ ගොඩවල් 8s no, 16s, 32s, 64s you have one. You have to add that. After that 32s you have ones. After 64s you have 1 to 8. 1 to 8 වලින් පස්සේ 2 5 6 නැහැ. 5 12 and 1 5 12 you have, yes. 5 12. Then this digit is 1024. Please add these numbers. You will get the answer. 1024 plus 512 plus 128 plus 64 plus 2 plus 1. So answer will be 1731. So this is how you calculate. Hirosarini, I think you missed one of the most important questions, right? So please watch the video again and then you will be able to understand. Video එක බලන්න ඕන පුතේ. මොකද වැදගත්ම question එකක් miss වුණේ ඉස්සෙල්ලම පළවෙනි question එක. It's very important. So this is how you find the number. Third one. What is the octal number in 1002? Yes. Octal number. We know how to convert octal. The quickest method. So write 3 by 3. So octal digits you can write 3 by 3 in a table. මම table එක ලියන්නේ නැතුව ලියන්නම්. පළවෙනි octal digit එක 000, දෙවෙනි එක 001, third 010, fourth 011, fifth 100, sixth 101, seventh 110, and eighth 111. So these are the digits number in octal. Represent 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then they're asking about very easy question. One octal number 1002 in binary. 1002 in binary. I don't know why you mark incorrect answer there because this is easy question. 1 means this. 1 means this. 0 means 000. Again 000. Again 010. That is the number. So the answer is 1, 6 0, 7 zeros, 1 0. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, 1 0. Here 1, 7 zeros, 1 0. Answer is B, but you have marked 1. So this paper, the student who has done this paper has marked 1. But 2 is the answer. Bindu gana ගණන් කළා නෑ. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So sorry. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sorry. You have marked second one. So first one is 7. So make it 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oh, hari answer එක කොළ පාටින් තියෙන එක. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7ක් තියෙන එක තමයි hari answer. You have marked second answer which is wrong. Then next one. So this question, most of you have done answered in wrong way. How many numerical symbols are in hexadecimal? How many numerical symbols? 16 පාදේ තියෙන numerical symbols අහන්නේ. 16 පාදේ symbols ගන්න හරි ඔයාලා ලියලා තියෙනවා. හැබැයි අහන්නේ numerical symbols නේ. 16 පාදේ symbols තමයි 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So this is how you mark the symbols in base 16. Altogether, how many symbols? 16 symbols. Because 0 to 1 to 15 and 0 altogether it is 16 symbols. But 10 numerical and 6 alphabetical. So තේරුණාද පැටලිලා තියෙන තැන කොහෙද කියලා? 16ක් තියෙනවා symbols, that is correct. But 10 numerical and 6 alphabetical. All together it is 16. They are asking about numerical symbols. So the answer is 10. Next one. Understood? Nipuni, තේරුණාද? Randil?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then next one. IP version 4 address of the computers are displayed in. මම දැන් කරේ. IP version 4. කොහොමද පෙන්නන්නේ? ඔයාලා බැලුවත් එක්ක ඔයාලගේ IP එක. It's shown in decimal, but it is calculated in binary. Displayed to us in decimal. Calculated in binary, here IP version 4 addresses of the computer are displayed in, not in binary. Binary වලින් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පෙන්වන්නේ නැහැ. It's in decimal. Calculated in binary, displayed in decimal. So you have to mark this. Next one. Sixth. RGB colors in HTML can be given using 6 hexadecimal codes. That is true. So what is RGB color? So can you remember the colors used in computer? What is R? Yes. What is G? What is B? R means? Come on. Please tell the answer if you know. Others? කවුරු හරි දන්නවනම් උත්තර කියන්න. Red R කියන්නේ මොකක්ද?
Red.
G for green. B for blue. Okay, these are the primary colors of computer monitor. Monitor ke tiyena colors. If you mix these colors, red, let's make this red, and green, red, green, and blue. If you mix these colors, this is green, this is blue. If you mix red, green, and blue colors, you will get some other colors. Let me make this transparent a little, right? Okay, let me make this a transparent. Then you can see the other colors which are creating. That's why I make this transparent. Okay, so this is red, you know, sorry. So this is red, this is green, and this is blue. So what if you mix red and green color? What is the color created by mixing red and green color? Yes, if you mix red and green, what is the color in the middle? This color, can you tell?
Yellow.
Yes, it's yellow color, right? You can see this, right? You can see this, you can tell
Greenish.
no, it's not greenish, it's yellow color. So this is not exactly showing the colors because I have applied some other colors. Sorry, if I apply it. Okay, if I apply the exact colors, then you can see, right? So then green and red, green plus red, so we'll create yellow. And then if you mix blue and green, so what is the color there? Blue and green. Yes, you cannot see here, right? You can see here properly, but that color is called C. So what is C? Tell me what is C, right? So then red and blue will create color M. So what is Y? Y is yellow. Please write down if you don't know. C is cyan. M is magenta. So these are the colors. So then if you mix both red, green and blue, all red, green and blue, what is the color? Is if you mix All red green group, R, G, B. What is the color? Yes?
White.
Yeah, it's white. And if it is, if you are mixing, if no colors, no red, no blue, no white, then it is black color. We call key. Printers using CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, and key. Screens are using RGB. So you should know these points. Screens are using RGB, printers are using CMYK. So actually this color cycle is not really good. I'm downloading one from internet. Wait, please draw that otherwise. Okay, this is very good picture. This shows actual forming of the colors. RGB and CMYK. Finished writing? RGB and CMYK. Quickly do. Right, normally in RGB, 8-bit colors for HTML, RGB 8-bit colors are the common color format. 8-bit means you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for blue. So it can be all zeros. So can you tell me the number in hexadecimal, please? So if it is 808080, what is the number in hexa? Dinuli, what is the number in hexa? So how you convert binary to hexa? What is the method? Hirusarini, what is the method to convert binary to hexa? Come on, guys, you have to answer, please. What is the method to convert binary to hexadecimal? You know this. Randil?
Dividing in 4.
Yes, write in 4 by 4. Okay, now what is the number, Randil? 0404. Yeah, it is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Why? Here 0, here also 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 0. All colors 0. This is in hexa. And this color is equal to black.